Peanut butter cookies are my favorite. I'd eat them until peanut oil comes out in my pores. These are 101 level cookies. 3 ingredients, 10 minutes. Let's go. First step, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Second step, gather all your ingredients. Ready? Sugar, peanut butter, and an egg. That's it. Down the line, we'll get into some high-end peanut butter cookies, but for 101 level baking, these are pretty awesome. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of light brown sugar, dark works well too, use what you like, and 1 egg. It'll only take a minute to mix it all together until it's smooth. And then you're gonna drop it, tablespoon or 2 at a time, onto a sheet pan lined with parchment or one of these Silpat thingies. Those are awesome. Try to keep them evenly spaced. Squish them flat with a fork, like this, and put them in the oven for 6 minutes. They're probably close to done then, but they may need another minute or 2. If they go too long, they just get a little crumbly. Not the worst thing in the world, but keep an eye on them anyway. Now these were in for a total of 9 minutes. You want to give them a couple extra to firm up a little bit, but then there you are, cookies. Normally I'd tell you not to eat them all at once, but you never know where the line is until you cross it, right? Right. Hope I was able to help you out today. If I did, you can thank me by hitting like and subscribe. Now, go eat some cookies.